Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm glad you're here with me today. I just came in from doing my chicken chores and I'm kind of hungry because I didn't eat breakfast. It's 11 o'clock, so I think we'll just skip straight to lunch and let's go fix something yummy today. In today's Cooking for One video, my dinner today is going to be salsa chicken. So for that, you're going to need some chicken. I've got 4 ounces of rotisserie chicken that I'm going to be using. Use whatever you have available. Salsa, Worcestershire sauce, shredded cheese, and I'm going to be eating the salsa chicken over rice, so I have minute rice. But I'm going to be using some onion, some homemade taco seasoning that I made a few days ago, and my side is going to be steamed green beans. And I'm going to be seasoning those with some chopped house butter seasoning. I'll also be adding a little salt in there somewhere and maybe some pepper. So let's get started cooking. Okay, let's get started with our salsa chicken. I've got my little 6-inch iron skillet. I've put me a little olive oil in it. This is salsa chicken Jana style, so using things I have at the house. I've got it on about medium heat. I'm going to slice up some onion. Just right in my skillet. Let's go in with just a little more. That's probably going to be enough. We'll let that start cooking. I chose an iron skillet to do my salsa chicken because I want to be able to go straight from the stovetop to the oven without having to transfer anything. Now if you're doing just a regular salsa and your chicken is not already cooked, you can do it in a pan in the oven, and you would just put your chicken in the pan and put your salsa on top of it and put it in the oven to cook it that way. My chicken is already done because it's rotisserie chicken, so that's why I'm starting mine out on the stovetop. So I just want those onions to start cooking up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add my rotisserie chicken in. That's about 4 ounces. I'm hoping this skillet is going to be big enough. I think it will be by the time it's all said and done. I'm just going to let that cook up just a little bit and let the chicken start cooking in with the onion some. And we'll check in on it in just a bit. In the meantime, I'm going to get my pot of water started for my green beans. This is a steamer pot, steamer basket. I've got some water in my pot. I'm going to put my steamer basket on top. I'm going to go ahead and get my green beans put in. Put in however many you want. That should be plenty. I'm going to put a lid on that and we'll let those beans steam. Okay, focusing back on our chicken, I've got a 1/4 cup of water in this little bowl, and I'm going to be adding in 1 spoon, it's probably about a tablespoon of taco seasoning into that water. I'm just going to stir that around in there really good. I'm going to turn my chicken on low at this point. I'm just going to get that stirred up, mixed up in there. And then I'm going to pour it in to my chicken. I'm going to let that onion and that chicken get mixed with that taco seasoning really well. Just going to let that cook just a minute. Make sure that it's all mixed up. I'm just going to cook this on low for a couple of minutes. And then we'll add our salsa. Our chicken is nice and hot and combined with the onion and taco sauce. So now I'm going to add my salsa. I have about 2/3 of a cup of salsa over here set to the side, ready to go in. I'm going to pour that on top of my chicken. So I'm going to spread it out on top of it. Go ahead and turn that stove off. And I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to add cheese to the top. Just put however much you want on top of it. I think that should be plenty. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the oven for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll get my rice started. Okay, let's get our rice started. I have my stove turned on high. I'm adding in 2/3 of a cup of water to a pot. I'm going to add some salt in, salt to taste. I'm going to put a lid on that and let it start boiling. My water is boiling for my rice. This is minute rice. It's 2/3 of a cup of minute rice. We're going to put in the 2/3 of a cup of water. I'm going to turn that stove off. I'm going to put a lid on that rice and I'm going to actually take it off of the heat completely. We'll give it 5 to 10 minutes and the rest of our dinner should be done. Our green beans are over here steaming away. Looking really good. So dinner is coming together perfectly. Okay, here's our dinner. Everything is ready. We have our rice over here. Our salsa chicken just came out of the oven. We have our steamed green beans. So I'm going to get this dished up. I do want you to see the salsa chicken close up, if at all possible. It looks really good. I did forget to put my Worcestershire sauce in when I was cooking it on the stovetop, but that's okay. I probably won't miss that at all. It's not an ingredient that you have to have. It's just something that I wanted to put in it. So it's okay that I forgot to add it. But I'm going to put this on top of my rice. See if I can get it all out in one scoop. Almost. It smells delicious. And we'll get our steamed green beans. I am going to season my green beans with some of the Weber Chop House butter seasoning. I'm going to season those green beans up. Make sure that all of it have some on it. I'll go ahead and taste one of those because they look really good. Oh, that's delicious. Okay, so we have our salsa chicken over rice. If you can see the rice under there, I tried to move the chicken some so that you could see it. Got the salsa chicken over rice with some steamed green beans. I'm going to go sit down and enjoy my dinner. If you make this, let me know how you like it. Thank y'all for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll come back for the next one. If you try the salsa chicken, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.